What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike, and on today's episode, it's going to be a little bit different as we're going to sit down on the computer, do some photoshopping to see what the Ferrari Kitcar looks like in a couple different colors. That way I can get your guys' opinion on what color I should paint it. So stay tuned, check it out. Oakley dokley. These are going to be the computers that we're going to use to do the photoshopping. I usually use my MacBook, but today we're going to be using the iMac. Okay, so let's get into doing some editing. So what I'm going to do first is we'll just open up these few photos I have on my desktop. These are a couple photos that I took the other day. We'll just kind of scroll through them and see if there's an angle that we like. I basically want to change the color of the entire car, the wing, and then the wheels. I'll show you how you can change the color of the wheels as well. What we're going to do is if I change the color of the body to like a bright yellow or something like that, I don't think that the gold and chrome wheels are going to work very well. Let's keep looking through the photos, see what we can find. It's not a bad angle. That's pretty dope. Good side angle. I think we're going to go with maybe this one or the very first one. I think was pretty good. No, second one down. Let's start off with this angle right here. So let's go ahead, we'll grab that photo. We will open it up in GIMP. Let's drag it on over. GIMP is free to download. You can get it for Mac or PC. It's really easy to use. And there you have it. So on your left hand side you have all your tool options like your paintbrushes, your eraser, your airbrushes, text, color palette. On your right side you got your layers, you got different brush stroke patterns, this and that. But the main thing is that we have our image here. Let's just zoom in a little bit here and you can find shortcuts for it. So we have the image blown up here right now. What I want to do is change the color of the entire body and the wheels. First things first, on the left hand side in your toolbar here, I'm going to grab the lasso tool, whatever they call it. Basically what it does is you can draw dots around the image that you want to select and change. And you can zoom in if you want to get a really detailed, crisp outline of your object. So we're just going to click around here roughly again. Just a quick color change. Takes 2 seconds to do, so I don't want to waste your guys' time. I just want to see what the car looks like in different colors. So I'm about to paint the car, whether I should do white, red, like a bright yellow, fluorescent yellow, almost like a lime green with citrus, I guess you could call it. Verde Ithaca is on the Lamborghini Aventador, and I think the color looks so sick. As well as a purple we could try. So comment below what color you guys think I should go, and I'll definitely take your suggestions into consideration. But my photoshopping here should give you guys a good idea of what it'll look like in all those different colors. I'm almost done selecting my entire image. Bam. So now you guys can see that the entire body of the car has been selected. So what I want to do, I'm going to copy it. Then I can paste it as a new image. Paste as. And you want to go new image. There you have it. There's the body of the car. And if I come back to here, the car is still selected. So when I go to paste the car back on top, I can line it up with this layer here. Okay, so let's go over to the body of the car and we can quickly show you how you can change the color of the car right now. So right now it's white. You just go up to colors, you go down to Colorize, click on that, there you have it. So within Colorize you got these different bars. You got hue, saturation, and lightness. So hue will basically change the color of the car to red, yellow, orange, green, etc. The hue down below here, or sorry, the saturation will turn it to a very vibrant color. So basically it'll go a lot brighter, more vibrant. And if you go all the way to the left, it'll just be on black and white grayscale. So I usually like to go, 75%, sometimes 100%. I'll just stick with 100% all saturation there. That way when you go through the color palette, all your colors are super vibrant right now. That pink looks so sick. There's a red, and then again the lightness, basically you can increase it, which will dull out your color, make it look lighter. It'll kind of fade it out, water it down, I guess you could say. And if you go the opposite way, it'll make your color darker. It'll bring out the shadows a lot more. So, you know, when we do our color change, we don't want to be super bright like this or like that. We want to go something like this. That way when we paste it back onto this image here, it kind of blends in with the lightness of the background already. Okay, so let's go ahead, change the color. So I don't really want to go white, even though white does look good on the car. I kind of want to do something really bright and vibrant. Red is a safe color, so let's just start off with that one because that's what everybody's saying I should do. And I got a color already picked out. It's called Viper Red. I think it's one of the sickest reds out there. So let's go ahead, darken this down to about there. Hit OK. Now our image has been changed to all red. Let's go ahead, back to our main image. We'll go Edit, Paste As, New Layer. Bam! Now we can start changing the brightness of it and the color. So let's go brightness and contrast. Let's see if we can bring down. See, I don't want to do that. I'll bring down the brightness. So something like that. I think we're getting somewhere. That's too bright. Okay. Hit OK, and if you go select all, click on our layers, there you have it. Let's go ahead and change the color up again to something crazy, like a pink, purple. Let's go purple. So we're gonna come over here. Actually, you know what we're gonna do first? Because all the colors are gonna be very bright color, they're not gonna go with the gold and the chrome very well. So what I wanna do is free select the entire wheel. Okay, so we got the wheel selected, and what I want to do is change the color of it. So we'll get it kind of centered here. We'll go colors, colorize, and check that out. You can change your wheels whatever color you want. Purple. In my case, I want to go gray. We're gonna go black. You can do like a satin black, something like that. Just look at your percentage over here, 69. Okay, 69. We'll hit OK, and we will zoom out. And now we will go over to our back wheel. Look at our lasso tool, whatever you want to call that thing. Free select, I guess it's called too. Okay. Start selecting the back wheel. Bam. Back wheel selected. We'll go color, colorize again. Go to saturation completely to 0. And we'll bring our lightness down to 69. Okay, let's zoom out. And see what it looks like. Select all. There you have it. So that's the car in red with black rims. Comment below, let me know if you guys like the black rims or if you think I should stick with the gold and chrome lips. That's kind of the original look of the Koenig car that I'm replicating. But in this case here, we're doing chassis mount wing, going a little bit crazier with it, so maybe we should go with the black rims. But let me know what you guys think. Alright, let's change the red up now, and we'll start changing the color like crazy. Let's hide this layer. We're back to white. Let's go over to our red one here. We'll go Edit, Undo Colorize, and we're going to always start with a white base. This is kind of the mad color over here. It's kind of like a lime green with yellow in it, so it's kind of like a citrus color. I kind of like that. It's kind of like my channel art color that I use on my font and all that stuff. So let's see if we can change the car to that color. Colorize, bam. We'll go with our saturation all the way up to 100, and we're going to come down to yellow. That's way too bright. So let's lower the lightness. It's too green, kind of yellowish there. Now we're getting somewhere. Alright, we'll hit OK. We'll go Edit, Copy, we got our citrus lime yellow green color here, and we got to come up with a name for this color, by the way. Comment below, let me know what you guys think we should call the mad slime lime color. Get creative, let me know some cool names. Come over to our red car here, and we're gonna go edit, paste as, new layer, and we're gonna have to put it into position now. So basically you're gonna hover over your old layer. There you have it. Click on the screen because our wheels selected here. We'll select all. There you have it. Get yourself a yellow car. If you want, come over here and we will change the color of the wing brackets to match it. Select all, bam, black wheels, slime, mad slime paint job with the matching wing lips. Pretty slick. Let's try a different color. Let's go purple. Okay, select all, edit, copy, back to this guy, and we'll go edit, paste as, new layer. Bam, we have purple. Let's line it up. Ooh, we gotta bring our layer up. Go to layers, stack, raise layer. Bam, there you have it. Let's bring that in the brightness here. Let's see what happens if we can play with the contrast. It's pretty cool. The cool thing is that Garageless just painted their car purple. So I was gonna go do like a plum crazy purple on the car as well, because I think it looks pretty wicked with the red interior. But I think I'm gonna go something different, maybe red. But that's why we're doing this. That's why we're photoshopping it. So we can find out what color we're gonna paint it, because I gotta make a decision. Colors, colorize. Let's go hot pink. I know, what am I thinking? Painting the car hot pink. I think it would be badass. I have so many Hot Wheels when I was a kid that were hot pink with like bright yellow graphics on it. I'm an 80s kid, 85. So yeah, that's why I kinda like that retro stuff. Yeah, something like that. Perfect. Come over to red car, edit, paste as, new layer, stack, raise layer. Alright, let's cover up this red. There it is, all lined up. While we're at it, let's zoom out, see what she looks like. That's pretty cool. It's pretty pink. Just for fun, let's change the seat colors on the inside. Well, let's go black. Colorize. See, I could change them any color I want right here. Blue, turquoise. Actually, that looks sick. Turn down the saturation. Let's go OK. Select all. Look at that. That's pretty dope. Pink with a blue interior. You can change the color on the winglets or whatever those things are called. I don't know. I just call them a winglet. I don't even know if that's a real word for it or not, but that's what I'm going to call it. Winglet. We're going to make new ones on the car anyways. Tomorrow I'm going to start mocking up some F40 style winglets for it. I hope that's a freaking word. I have no idea. Winglet. That's funny. There's over 69 different colors we could paint the car, so make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what color you guys would like to see the car painted in. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.